Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the trailer and getting immediate access to the lock. You want zero movement. Insert the correct key and feel for smooth engagement. If it binds, withdraw and inspect the key for debris or wear. Use compressed air to clear grit, then add a small puff of graphite. Avoid oil as it attracts dirt. Turn the key gently to the first detent to feel internal tumblers align. Once you sense give, proceed with the next manipulation step. With the key engaged, apply steady outward pressure to the lock pin while turning. You're aligning internal tumblers to free the shank. If the hitch stays stuck, try small rotational wiggles while maintaining pull. This compensates for slight misalignment and seized parts. Tap the key lightly with a plastic-handled mallet to dislodge sticky wafers, but don't force. Excessive force risks breaking the key. Once you feel the latch drop, keep steady pressure and extract the lock straight out to avoid binding. You're at the finish. Pull the lock straight out while keeping the key aligned. Rotating slightly can help clear the bolt. If the key breaks, stop and remove any loose shank with pliers, then use a strong magnet or pick tool to extract the broken bit. Do not push it further in. If removal fails, apply penetrating spray, wait 10-15 minutes for lubrication to work, then retry gently. Make sure to lubricate and test before reassembling to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.